how to check my flight status on Aegean Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can check your flight status on Aegean Airlines, and here is how to go about it. Alright, so the um major way is to log in into your Aegean Airlines account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see your Aegean Airlines logo by the top left corner, and then by the right side you can see options like help and contact, English, search, and then other options. Then for you to be able to check your flight status, the next thing to do would be to go to destinations, all right, on your home page. Okay, and then click on it. After clicking on destinations, you can see the options being displayed to you. So let's click on it again. Now you can see again flights and then flight status. Just go ahead and click on flight status. So after clicking on flight status, you'll be taken to the flight status page. So on this page, you can see the right of which says flight status display the real-time status of Aegean and Olympic Air flight. See if the flight you are interested in has been delayed, cancelled, or if it has landed at the destination airport on time. So now there are two ways to go about it. You can either check your flight status by making use of the route or making use of flight number. So if you have your flight number, just paste it here and then click on search, and then your flight status will be displayed. But then if you know the route, just go ahead, enter in the location where the flight is coming from, where the flight is going to, click on search, and then from there you'll be able to check your flight status if it has been delayed, maybe it was cancelled, or if it has landed at the destination airport on time. So this is how it works. So go ahead and check that flight status today.